Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, let us see what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy in June 2025. So now here's your teaser. And it goes like this. Monday the 2nd of June 2025. This is a new season, remember. Episode 11. Mpho's willing to break protocol to help her friend. Tao gives Samkelo a reality check. A father asks a terrible thing of his daughter. Tuesday the 3rd of June 2025. Kamogelo is not done with the past yet. Lucy is worried about her daughter's strange behavior. Has Agent Mbeka been lying all along? Wednesday the 4th of May. I think Bazalwane, they made a typing error. They wanted to write June instead of the month that they wrote here. But let's continue. Fikile knows not to push for answers. Melokuhle is determined to get into Ayanda's good books. Pele wonders why his comment seems to be so important. Thursday the 5th of June. Lulu won't allow life's harsh reality to get her down. Jack is starting to wonder if he did the right thing. Samkelo's teammate hijacks his plan. Friday the 6th of June. What will Namhla do with the info she's received? Kia is caught in the act by her son. Will Juju be able to pull off his plan? Monday the 9th of June. The twins have an urgent talk about what to do next. The interns are shocked by Tando's bitterness. Bailey is furious when Mbeka pulls rank. Thursday the 10th of June. Jack feels like a new man. I wonder why. Kamogelo is suspicious of his family's behavior. Samkelo realizes he's pulled a fast one on him. Wednesday the 11th of June. Kia's world starts to unravel. Tao gets more than he bargained for. What did Namhla do to one must know about? Thursday the 12th of June. Kumo tells his sister to get a grip. Ayanda is coerced. Ayanda is coerced into attending a poker game. Mbeka slips up, giving Pele a gap. Friday the 13th. You know what happens on Friday the 13th. But nonetheless, we are on Friday the 13th of June. Jack doesn't like his hand being forced. Kamogelo is not coping with what he found out. Sam is determined to outwin his mentor. Monday the 16th of May. Mpho is glad to hear Serge is back on looks. Looks like Juju outplayed them all. Oh, dlala wena Juju. Didiro's presence at the Moroka house arouses suspicion. Tuesday the 17th of June. Pele is determined to fix the mess he made. The boys make startling connections in their investigation. Lucy's quiet warning is much scarier than any angry one. Wednesday the 18th of June. Namhla is ready to move on again. Kamogelo has a big decision to make. Fikile relishes the chance to spite her nemesis. Thursday the 19th of June. Kia has an idea that shocks Kumo. Lulu's revelation gives Samkelo an idea. The showdown ends with a gunshot and an unalived body. Friday the 20th of June. Ayanda doesn't like hearing the truth. No one does in any way. The cousins are livid when their teammate drops them again. The boys hit a glitch with their investigation. Monday the 23rd of June. Fikile doesn't know how to get Jack out of his funk. Melokuhle feels bad about spying on a friend. Lucy is devastated about what Namhla did. Awu Namhla Nkosi yami, fika nokumosha. Tuesday the 24th of June. Spare is cut deeply by her father's cruel words. Mpho comes through for his desperate friend. Samkelo lets his ego get the better of him. Wednesday the 25th of June. Pele and his commander are forced to make the deal. Tau refuses to cut his Potjie some slack. What is Kumo's mysterious phone call about? I wonder. Thursday the 26th of June. Things aren't going well at the Mabasa house. Ayanda doesn't like Zondiwe being one up on her. In a moment of panic, Kia admits all. Keep my file Kia Konin Kosiam. Friday the 27th of June. Jack bears his soul never before. Jack bears his soul like never before. Will a woman finally have to pay for the crime she once committed? Which woman now? Because we all know that the crimes are only committed by Lucy. Now they want us to stretch our minds. Nonetheless, let's continue. Lucy decides to be the bigger person for once. Monday, the 30th of June. Kamogelo can't seem to cope with what he knows. Tau gets on the wrong side of his colleagues. Kumo is on a mission again. What is he planning? What is he planning? Generation The Legacy, that is the teaser. Premiere episodes of Generation The Legacy air on SABC1 from Monday to Friday at 8 o'clock. Bahlali, do you guys still continue to watch Generations The Legacy? The last time I watched Generation The Legacy, Namhla was not there. It was when Tau and Karabo came back, and it looked like the comeback was temporary just to revive the storyline. Has the storyline been revived? Because I see the snippets on TikTok and it seems to be interesting again. Is it something that we can watch and review? Let me know what you think. But while you edit, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If possible, go back to the old videos, just refresh your mind and remind yourself of what the channel is all about. I appreciate your watching. This is your girl, Disable D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.